Creating an affiliate link on Quotex allows you to refer others to the platform and earn commissions when they sign up and trade. Here's how to generate your Quotex affiliate link. Log into your Quotex account. Visit the Quotex platform and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Go to the affiliate section. After logging in, navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and select Affiliate Program or Referral Program from the drop-down menu. Access your affiliate link. Once in the Affiliate Program section, you will find your unique affiliate referral link. This link typically looks like the following. Copy the link. You can copy the referral link directly from the provided field by clicking on the copy button next to the URL. Share your link. Share this link with potential users through social media, email, websites, or any other platform you prefer. When someone clicks your link and signs up, they are tagged as your referral. Track referrals and earnings. In the affiliate program section, you can track how many people have signed up using your link and monitor any commissions you've earned.